Okay, very quick tutorial in how to use Write That Essay to provide feedback for students. So if I go into, we'll take Cody's work here, we'll open what he's got, and now what I recommend is actually putting the work into Write That Essay before you start doing your comments and suggestions. In this case, my suggestions are already here on Cody's work. Write That Essay will give feedback on style and structure. It obviously won't do content. So I've made comments, as you can see down here, in terms of the content for Cody, but we'll take Write That Essay, we'll take his work and put it in there and see what we come up with. So once you've Control-C'd his work, go to Write That Essay, there's your dashboard, click on Write, click on Nelson, and just put it in here. And then click on Feedback, bang, there we go. So see, Cody's doing really well actually. Those of you who taught Cody before, he's smashing it in terms of his writing strength. And then what I do is I will then, using the snip tool down here, I will snip that and then make a second snip of the sentence graph and email those to Cody in terms of his style and structure. Obviously the content comes through the normal feedback you do into Google Docs. Sweet as, hope that helps.